I've just identified a somewhat alarming issue with the front tires on my Suburban. Apparently when I turn the wheel lock to lock, it's been cutting a groove in the inside sidewall of my tire on some component of my frame. Kind of worried my tires are going to explode going down the interstate and I'm going to end up upside down in a ditch. So today I'm going to try to fix that. Let me show you what I got going on. I've already got it jacked up and one of the tires off. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. See that? That's not good. My upper control arm got the rough country lift on it. But if you notice all this white rubber dust, that's all from the tire. The tire has been getting cut on this edge, which is like razor sharp. So what I think I'm going to do is come in here with a cutoff wheel and, well, cut that off. My grinder, I got about half a dozen fresh cutoff wheels. Just gonna get in there and cut that off. Might be worth noting, I have no idea if this is gonna work or not. I'm pretty sure it'll work. All right, here we go. Well, got into my control arm a little bit, but it's going pretty good. Got to put my muffs on. All right, let's try that again. It's getting a little bit into this bottom part too. Might as well just zinc that off, okay? I'm pretty sure that's gonna work. Guess I better throw the wheel back on and turn it lock to lock. Just gonna put 2 lug nuts real quick, see if she clears. All right. That is a negative. That did not work, not even close. You see my pinky? The lift has thrown off the geometry of the, I have an idea, which is kind of what I thought I was gonna do in the first place, which is just tack weld a nut. Moving on to plan B, which was actually plan A, but then I took the wheel off and I was like, oh, we can maybe do this. But anyways. That's what I'm talking about right there. That is supposed to touch that, but it doesn't. Thinking about just tacking a nut to that. Stop. New idea. Gonna weld a bolt onto the control arm. This is longer than I need. I'm gonna come in after it's welded on and cut it off at the right length. This is what I'm talking about. Can I just tack that on there and just trim it down gradually until it fits and then duplicate it on the other side? Wanted to get some fresh steel on both sides. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna put a little bit of an angle on the head of this bolt first. Thugs, right? All right, let me zap this in. Just gonna hold it with my finger. Put a tack on it. Okay, my mask did not darken, so I'm blind. All right. Put one more tack on it. What in the? Guess I should throw the front wheel back on and see how that worked. The position of the bolt looks prime. Let me throw the wheel on and see how much I need to trim off this thing. Let's see what we got. Oh, it spins. Oh yeah, plenty of clearance. I can trim quite a bit off this. That's where it was rubbing. Right there. That looks pretty good. Let me measure how long that bolt is and how much clearance I have, and then we can do some math to see what the ratio is or whatever. This is what I got going here. Bolt is 1.25 inches long. That gives me a clearance of 2 inches between the tire. Nope, other way around. 2 times 0.25 divide, hold on, this is what we got. The bolt is 1.25 inches long, and that yields me a clearance of 2 inches. I want to get around 1/4 inch or as close as I can for the maximum turning radius. So how long does the bolt need to be? We don't know, that's the question. 2 times the desired clearance divided by the bolt length is what I need to cut the bolt to for that clearance. So 0.4, ½ inch, all right? It's called a ½ inch. Enough with the 7th grade algebra, let's go cut this bolt. Just gonna measure it, cut it, put the tire back on, see what happens. ½ inch is roughly 2 bolt heads thickness, so I'm just gonna eyeball it and send it. All right, what's going on? There we go. Nice. Remember what I said about my calibrated eyeball? Pfft, it's dead on. We're touching, and look at that. Whoop, 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 whoop. That same spot. This one's not quite as sharp. No, yeah, it is. But look at all this. I'll do the same thing. I'll just cut that off and then get down here and tack that bolt on, cut it off. Let me whip this out. I finished the other side. It was exactly the same as the other side. Now we just gotta test it. Did I tighten everything? Yeah, I tightened everything. There's a grinding noise. Yeah, I tightened everything. Hold on. What is going on? It's always nerve-wracking crawling under your vehicle after you put the wheels back on. No new witness marks. Oh yeah. No, we're dialed. Look at all that room. Something is terribly wrong with the driver's side front wheel. What did I just do? Oh gosh. Dagnabbit. Getting a rhythmic grinding noise. Figured it out. It was my brake line that goes into the caliper where it's steel hitting the wheel weight. I pried it away from the control arm because it was rubbing the control arm. Anyways, I fixed that. Right there. See that? It was going cronk, cronk. Right there. Anyways, I just bent that back. We're all good. Well, there you have, folks. Did I just avoid certain death? I don't know either. Anyways, that's going to do it for this installment of Random Vehicle Maintenance. Let me know what you think. How would you have gone about this? One way would be to get different wheels, but that's a lot of money. That'll do it. Just a quick random video I had popped into my head. All right, I'll see you guys later.